So today what I'm going to show you is our version of a delicious, easy, oil-free Thousand Island dressing. And it's very easy, and these should be ingredients that should already be in your pantry. So I'll walk you through the ingredients, and I'm also going to show you what salad I'm going to use it for. So what you're going to need for the dressing is a jar, mason jar. You're going to need some Dijon mustard, agave, some red wine vinegar, some rice vinegar, and some xanthan gum. And that is going to be our thickener. So what I usually do is, and I will put all the ingredients below, I'll put all the measurements below, as I fill the vinegar up to the first little line, to where the label, there's like a label print where I fill it up there. And then I take the rice vinegar and I put about 2 tablespoons of that in there. Then what we're going to put is 1 small teaspoon of agave, not a lot, just a little bit, and some Dijon mustard. And about 1 teaspoon, you can put more if you want. And then lastly is our thickener, is the xanthan gum. And I usually use the back of my spoon, and I just put about that much, and that's about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then I'm going to take about 1 tablespoon of green onions and throw those in there too. And we are going to shake this up, and we're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to put this aside, and it's going to thicken. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I use this delicious dressing. And as you can see, it thickened up a little bit. And I have this delicious lettuce, and I like the thicker lettuce that is not the thin, flimsy one. So you can use any one of those. And I use 2 green onions chopped, half of a cucumber, just put like that, some bell pepper, and I don't really put tomatoes on this salad. They just get really soggy. And then I'm going to put 1½ cups of white cannellini beans. And then on top of all this, I'm going to sprinkle some fresh dill and parsley. And then I'm going to pour my dressing on top. And you can put as much or as little as you want. And that is a delicious, healthy salad. Thanks for watching.